In this little video, I'm going to show you how to start your first editey workspace. So go over to Chrome. Okay, so we're in the Google Drive here. Now, you need to start a new folder. Okay, so start a new folder, and you're going to call this folder. Start a new folder. Call it Jane Doe Design Grade 9. Okay, obviously replace the words Jane Doe with your own name. Okay. Now, I would like you to share this with me. So we right click, share with, and my email address is buffdesigners@gmail.com. Okay, and give me permission to edit here, please, so that I can help you improve your work. Right. Now, we're going to go into here, and we're going to start a new folder, and we're going to call this one Portfolio Unit. Okay, and then inside there, we start yet another new folder. We're going to call this one Editey. And we're going to go inside there. Okay, now I'm going to do one more new folder. I'm just going to call it website. Right, so now we're in the folder. We're going to go into the folder website, and we're going to go new, and we're going to start a new HTML document. We're going to call that document index.html. And just while we're waiting, just close some of these windows down at the top. So we're starting a new document here. It's a HTML document. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to call that index.html. This means that when a browser goes, when you look at this folder with a web browser, this will be the first page that gets loaded. Okay, and here is where we're going to type in our HTML. Now go back to your drive. There it is. We're also going to start a new CSS file, and we're going to call it stylesheet.css. So we're going to call this file stylesheet.css, like that. Okay, now close those down, and we go back to our Google Drive. Now at this point, you're going to go up one folder. So we're in our editey folder, and we're looking at our website folder. So now we right click, and we're going to say open with red editey. Now this will enable us to have a workspace where we can put all of our HTML codes and CSS style sheets, and we'll be able to share our work and get some help and feedback with it. Call your workspace Jane Portfolio, where you'll substitute your name for Jane, obviously. And now we have a workspace where we can write our website. It's as simple as that. The very last thing you need to do is you need to go back to your editey folder. We need to go up to the portfolio unit, and we're now going to make this folder so it's available that anyone on the web can see this. The reason we need to do this is that we need to publish our website so the world can see it. So right click, share. Now we need to go into the advanced settings, and we're going to make it, we're going to change this on public on the web. This means that we can share the link to this site with anybody on the web, which will enable other people to see our work. Done. Notice how the folder now has a little person in there showing that this is public to the whole internet. You're now ready to start typing some code and testing it. So go into your editey, into your website. Let's open up our portfolio, or I can just go here, and I'm going to choose the files for my workspace. Style sheet, and at this point I'm holding down the control key to multiple select these, and I'm just going to press select. And now when we look at the editey workspace, we've now got our, this is a preview pane over here of what the website will look like. We can also publish that to the web, or we can open it in a separate tab. This is the refresh button, so when we make code changes over here or down here, we press this to see the effect of those. Okay, so in here I can just set up my page with my first two HTML tags, and I can just write hello world, and in here I should be able to see the words hello world appear. Okay, and this won't do anything just yet. Alright, this is your first web page. Thanks for watching.